Hi there everyone! Today I'm going to show you guys how to customize your Apple Watch to display any anime you want. Today I'm going to show you how to put Demon Slayer and Magical Doremi. So stay tuned and enjoy the tutorial. So first of all, you need to go to Pinterest and download the images you want. For example, if you want Demon Slayer, just go to Pinterest, search Demon Slayer, and start saving any image you want. Make sure you save them all in one folder because that will make things much easier for you later on. Also, if you want to download for Magical Doremi, just type in Magical Doremi and you're gonna get so many cute images. Save them in a different folder. Now you go to your Apple Watch and keep pressing the screen. Swipe and create new. It will give you many options to choose from. Make sure you choose the option photos. So just keep scrolling till you reach photos. Here it is. It's just going to select a random picture from your gallery as a photo, so don't worry about that because we're going to change it later on. Just select it and make sure it's there. Go back to your phone and go to the application Watch. If you don't know how to reach it, just search Watch. And now it will take you to your watch settings. As you can see, photos here, this is the one that we just added. And it's just a random picture, so don't worry about that. Make sure you click it. And as you can see here, it says album. Make sure you press the album. And here it tells you the name of the album that you want it to display. It's set on favorites, but I don't want it to be favorites. I want it to be Demon Slayer or Magical Doremi, the folders that you just saved. So make sure you press it and you change it. As you can see here, I have a folder called Magical Doremi. This is the one that I just created when I saved the images that I want from Pinterest. So press it and then press done. And now it will change to the folder pictures that you have. You can also change the position of the timing. It can be top, it can be bottom. And you can change the settings and customize it based on your preferences. Then select Set as Current Watch Face. Press back and you will see it changed to the folder that you selected. Go back to your Apple Watch now. As you can see, your Apple Watch will change based on the folder you selected and the images you put. You can customize it any way you want. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Until next time, bye!